Hi, welcome to episode 2. So in episode 2, what we'll be doing, we'll actually use the frame beanie from episode 1. If you haven't looked at that episode yet, kindly go and do so. Episode 1 shows you what the materials needed to frame your beanie, put everything together. So what we'll do in episode 2, we'll be moving over to the embroidery machine. We'll choose the file needed for this particular project. We'll make sure that the file is within the correct parameters, and we'll go ahead and actually print out our awesome design. So let's jump into everything that will be needed for this particular episode, and after which we'll move over to the embroidery machine. See you in a little bit. First off, the frame beanie from episode 1. I will leave a link of episode 1 at the end of this video. Episode 1 will show you how to frame the beanie and all the materials needed. I suggest watching episode 1 before watching episode 2 if you haven't done so as yet. A ruler, thread nippers, bent fine point tweezers. This can be used for threading needle if we should experience thread break, also to help remove stabilizer backing. Spray bottle of water. This is used to help remove tiny pieces of soluble topping. Let's move on to the embroidery machine. First, go to your control panel on your embroidery machine and select the file for the project. My design is a 3.18 inches in height by 4.5 inches wide. The size of your design will be on your production sheet. Press OK. Next, go within your design parameter and select the frame size suitable for your project. The pantograph will move to the center point of the frame. Press Escape. Place your frame beanie on the embroidery machine. This step is very important. Press the trace button to make sure that your design is centered within your frame boundaries. This allows your pantograph to move to the right position. I use needle 1 to make sure that my needle is centered, my design is centered. However, normally I would still use a ruler just to make sure that it's all centered. If you're all satisfied at this stage, just press the start button and watch your awesome design comes to life. fresh off the press. The first thing you want to do at this stage is to remove the binder clips. Again, I used 5 on each side. Feel free to use as much as you want to. Next step is to rip the soluble topping off. Rip it right off. Surely won't hurt the beanie. You want to then remove the beanie from the frame. Grab your bent fine point tweezer and start to remove the tearaway stabilizer from the back. Grab your thread nippers and start to trim the loose threads. Nice and clean. You guys still there? You guys still following along? Grab that fine point tweezer again to remove the small excess soluble topping. A little water surely won't hurt the beanie, but it does help removing the water soluble stabilizer. There you have it. Hi, there you have it. I'm wearing this awesome beanie. You guys watch me made this beanie from start to finish. Episode 1 showed how to properly hoop or frame the beanie, and episode 2 I walk you guys through the steps of actually stitching out the beanie. It fits real good, purple and yellow. I'm sure that you guys have a lot of creative projects in mind, but if you learned anything from this particular video, hit the like button. I also urge you guys to click the subscribe button so as to not miss any fresh content. I promise to drop 2 videos every week. So until next time, peace out and take care.